On March 14, 1981, in Las Vegas, Nevada, Kathy Hobbs told her sister about a vision. Not a dream, a vision she experienced while awake, vivid and detailed. She described a car accident on Valley View Boulevard, near the intersection with Flamingo Road. She saw a specific vehicle involved, described the position of the cars, and spoke of someone being hurt. Her sister listened, concerned but skeptical. Kathy was not known for supernatural claims. She was a practical woman, a resident of Las Vegas for over a decade, working in the service industry. But something about this premonition disturbed her enough to share it. She gave her sister a time frame. It would happen soon. 3 days later, on March 17, 1981, an automobile collision occurred at the exact location Kathy had described. The accident involved vehicles matching her account. A person sustained significant injuries. When Kathy's sister heard the news on local radio, she contacted Kathy immediately. Kathy already knew. She had been expecting the report all day. The specificity of what she had predicted, the location, the vehicles, the injury suggested more than coincidence. Las Vegas police documented the accident in their records. The intersection, the vehicles involved, the injuries sustained, all aligned with Kathy's prior statement. Her sister became convinced that Kathy possessed some form of foreknowledge. But the case fractured when scrutiny arrived. Investigators asked direct questions. Had Kathy witnessed the accident herself? Had she observed the vehicles beforehand at that location? Had she heard discussion of a dangerous intersection before her premonition? The answers complicated the narrative. Kathy could not explain how she knew. She offered no rational mechanism. She described only that the image came to her, insistent and clear. Some researchers suggested prior knowledge of a hazardous location. Others proposed coincidence amplified by selective memory. The distinction mattered legally and psychologically. If Kathy had simply warned about a known danger spot, the premonition lost its paranormal character. If she had genuinely foreseen a specific, unpredictable event, the questions deepened. The record separates into two interpretations. The first, Kathy Hobbs possessed extrasensory perception and foresaw a future accident with unusual precision. The second, Kathy observed or learned about a dangerous intersection, warned her sister, and her prediction coincided with an inevitable outcome at that location. Both explanations fit the documented facts. Neither can be definitively proven or disproven. What remains certain is that Kathy made a specific prediction, and a specific accident occurred at the location and time frame she described. What remains unclear is whether she accessed information through extraordinary means or ordinary ones. Investigators closed their inquiry without resolving the discrepancy. The case file does not indicate continued paranormal investigation. Kathy Hobbs never made another public prediction. Her sister kept the account of that March day in 1981, passing it along through family recollection. No formal paranormal investigation was conducted. No scientific examination of her claims was documented. The accident report exists in Las Vegas archives. The premonition exists only in witness testimony. Between them sits the space where certainty ends and questions remain. We return to Valley View Boulevard and Flamingo Road, where a woman knew something would happen, and then it did. Whether that knowledge came from her mind or from somewhere else, the answer stayed with Kathy Hobbs.